This is the cost of total rehabilitation work with dental implants. In the first stage, patient paid 2,800 euros for the lower jaw, including 4 implants, and 3,400 euros for the upper jaw, including 6 implants. In both cases, patient received temporary denture in 24 hours. The healing process for the implants takes 6 months, but you can come in 8 or 10 months depending on your possibilities. In the second stage, patient will come for the final denture, which will cost 2 or 2,500 euro, depending on material type. If you are coming from abroad, we will help you with accommodation and airport transfer. Send us your X-ray on email or WhatsApp to make a special offer for you.